Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do an experiment on the water cycle.
Let's review the 3 stages of the water cycle. We begin with evaporation, when the water is a water vapor in the gas state. Then we have condensation, when the water collects in the clouds and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger until it's too big and we have precipitation when it begins raining. Good morning, boys and girls. You're in my kitchen today, and we are going to be doing together an experiment on the water cycle. So for first thing, let's see what our materials are. So what do we need to do our experiment?
Here we see a list of our materials. A large clear bowl, a glass, some water, salt or balsamic vinegar, plastic wrap, a pebble or a small stone, and ice.
Our materials are very simple. The first thing we need is a glass or plastic bowl, a pebble, so a little rock, pebble, some plastic wrap, a glass, preferably transparent, ice, with ice cubes, those are the best, and I'm going to use a bit of balsamic vinegar instead of food coloring. I don't have any food coloring. Alright, so I'm in my kitchen, like I mentioned before, and this part you need your parents to help you. Avete bisogno dell'aiuto di mamma o papà o di un adulto, perché stiamo usando il fuoco. We're going to be using fire, okay? And as you can hear, I'm heating water. And here we have our first step. An evident moment in the first step of the water cycle. I'm going to pour the water into the bowl. As you can see, this is the first step. You are seeing evaporation. That means the water turns into gas, a water vapor, and it comes up. It goes up. So you see the water vapor, the water moving up. I'm going to put the glass in the center. Watch out, the water is very hot. So, the wonderful thing about the water cycle is that it cleans the water. So I'm going to put a drop of vinegar, balsamic vinegar, which is very dirty. Now, it looks like dirty water. And then I'm going to cover it with plastic.
All right, so our experiment looks like this. We've put water, dirty water, in the bowl. We've covered it with plastic. In the center, we put a pebble, and I've also put some ice. The water vapor goes up, and now it reaches the plastic. Quindi che cosa succede quando l'acqua a vapore, vapore d'acqua sale su e tocca la plastica? Andiamo a vedere.
Boys and girls, look at that condensation. The droplets get bigger and bigger and bigger.
After evaporation and condensation, the drops of water are very big. So big and heavy that they begin to fall. This is rain or precipitation. È quando l'acqua inizia a tornare alla terra, scende giù. It moves down in rain or precipitation. This is a very difficult moment to catch. Questo momento molto difficile da documentare nel nostro esperimento perché l'acqua cade in momenti istantanei, però io ci sono riuscita. Quindi adesso andiamo a vedere l'attimo della pioggia, the moment of our precipitation. So here we have the top of our bowl. You see the glass? I took the pebble out so you could see better. Now, keep your eyes here. Tell me what you see. Did you see it? What happened? Let's go back and see it again. Plop!
All right, boys and girls, if you remember, the water we put into the bowl was dirty. Now we put a bit of vinegar. Abbiamo messo un po' di vinagre, aceto balsamico, per rendere l'acqua, tra virgolette, sporca. Così possiamo vedere se durante il ciclo l'acqua viene purificata. So the water cycle helps to clean the water. So here is our bowl. You see the water? That's our dirty water. Let's see inside the cup. What do we have? Look at that. This is clean water. And you're going to drink it. No vinegar. Just water. The water cycle cleans the water, which is why it's so important. Very important for our earth that it recycles the water. Like I've told you in our lesson, for 4 billion years, 4 miliardi di anni, che la Terra sta riciclando l'acqua. L'acqua sporca, o magari l'acqua salata, no? If we think about the water in the ocean, it's salty. It's salty water. But when it rains, is there salt in the rain? C'è sale? Quando piove? No. Perché? per lo stesso motivo. Il ciclo dell'acqua ha purificato l'acqua. And that's it. That is our water cycle experiment in Miss Astra's kitchen. All right? Have a wonderful day. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterfly.